Hey there, aspiring scholars. Welcome back to our channel Money Magnet. Today, we're diving into a subject that's going to revolutionize the way you think about earning money as a student in India's 7 ingenious income streams that are perfect for you. If you're ready to step into the world of smart earnings while managing your studies, you're in for an exciting ride. Print-on-demand merchandise. The world of print-on-demand. Imagine designing your own line of trendy t-shirts, captivating phone cases, or even stylish merchandise. Platforms like Printrove and Printful are your partners in this venture. They handle the intricate process of manufacturing and shipping. Your designs have the potential to become the talk of the town, capturing the imagination of people far and wide. And the best part? With each sale, you pocket a slice of the profit pie. So, whether it's an artistic expression or a witty phrase, your creative touch can morph into the next big trend while you reap the rewards from this unique and innovative income stream. App and game development. Moving forward, let's dive into the realm of technology. If coding is your jam, why not explore mobile app and game development? Platforms like Google Play Store and Apple App Store provide a global platform for your creations to shine. Whether it's a productivity app or an entertaining game, your coding prowess finds its canvas. Monetize your creations through in-app purchases, advertisements, or premium versions. As users engage and appreciate your innovation, you're not only indulging your tech-savvy side but also potentially unlocking a source of income that can thrive around the clock. YouTube and video content. Why not embark on a journey as a digital storyteller? Ignite your YouTube journey by creating a channel centered around your passion, whether it's education, entertainment, or insightful reviews. With each subscriber and view, your ad revenue flourishes. What starts as a creative outlet can metamorphose into a lucrative income stream. Share your expertise, entertain, or educate your audience, and as your community grows, so does your potential for financial growth. The world of YouTube welcomes your creativity and rewards it with not only viewership but also a slice of the ad revenue pie, a true fusion of passion and profit that's within your reach. Printables and digital products. For those with a flair for design, let's journey into the realm of printables and digital products. Harness your creative prowess to craft downloadable treasures. Think planners, templates, or captivating art prints. Platforms like Etsy provide the perfect marketplace to showcase your creations. Once your products are crafted, they become a wellspring of passive income. Each sale has the potential to generate income repeatedly, without requiring ongoing effort. Your artistic ingenuity becomes a source of financial stability, while your patrons enjoy your meticulously crafted digital delights. It's a symbiotic relationship that transforms your artistic passion into a reliable stream of income. Dropshipping with a twist. Now, let's dive into dropshipping with an innovative twist. Imagine offering not just any products, but educational and personalized items. Delve into the world of custom notebooks, tailored study guides, or comprehensive exam kits, all delivered through dropshipping. By catering to fellow students and educators, you're creating a niche that resonates deeply. Your offerings go beyond mere products, they become valuable tools for academic success. With your unique angle, you're not just filling a need, but also tapping into an untapped market. It's a strategy that combines commerce with contribution, as your business thrives and students benefit from your tailored resources. Language and skill tutoring online. If you're a maestro of a specific language or skill, why not step into the realm of online tutoring? Platforms like Verbling and italki offer the stage for you to share your expertise with learners eager to improve. As you guide others on their journey of language mastery or skill enhancement, you're not only making an impact but also enriching your income without stepping out of your study zone. It's a win-win scenario that leverages your expertise while allowing you to maintain focus on your studies. Your knowledge becomes a currency of both empowerment and financial growth in this digital education era. Dividend stocks and mutual funds. And finally, let's delve into the world of investments. Picture yourself building a financial portfolio adorned with dividend stocks and mutual funds. As you allocate a portion of your earnings, you're setting the stage for your money to work for you. Over time, your investments have the potential to grow, potentially becoming a source of substantial wealth. With dividend stocks, you're not only aiming for capital appreciation but also earning a steady stream of passive income through dividends. Mutual funds offer diversification, reducing risks while tapping into the collective growth of multiple assets. It's a strategic step that nurtures your financial future, all while you continue your academic pursuits. And there you have it, a treasure trove of 7 innovative income streams custom crafted to empower student earners in India. But remember, these avenues aren't just about making money, they're gateways to learning, growth, and securing your financial horizon. If this video has ignited a spark within you, don't hesitate to show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that fuels your financial journey. And of course, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. As you continue on your academic path, embrace these unconventional pathways to earnings, excel in your studies, and let your determination and creativity propel you toward financial success.